All right. So yeah, hi guys. Today is July 6th, and it's still pouring all over here with rain since 3 days and flooded. But fortunately enough, the internet is back, and I did continue mixed arrangements and solutions today. Today I added when a pure solution is added, also when a pure solution is added and removed. Both one did almost 20 to 30 questions of it. Did two conceptual videos of it. Only thing which is pending in that topic is the comprehension test and the main practice test. I have to solve 50 odd questions before doing the comprehension test. And yeah, that was it. Last video I said right that the comprehension test, not comprehension, the mixtures and solution topic is quite difficult. Yeah, one part is difficult, but the rest of it is quite doable. Not that easy, but it is doable for sure. So I will be continuing with that. And apart from that, I did mixed arrangements, two sets, and one RC from CAD. And yeah, that will be it for today, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Hopefully the rain stops or at least the floods go away. Alright, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.